In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a 75-minute chart in TradingView. This is a neat trick that many traders find incredibly useful when they want a time frame that's not immediately available from the standard menu options. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you want to make sure that your chart is active and ready to receive commands. To do this, simply click anywhere on your existing chart. This small action ensures that TradingView knows you're about to input some commands directly into the chart interface. It's important because if the chart isn't active, the next steps won't work. Once you've ensured the chart is active, it's time to input your desired time frame. This is where the magic happens. All you have to do is type the number 75. Yes, it's as simple as that. TradingView offers a dynamic way to customize your chart timing by allowing you to type the number directly. Now, after typing 75, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Keep in mind, this step does not require specifying any time unit, because TradingView comprehends minutes by default unless specified otherwise. This means that by just entering these two digits, TradingView automatically interprets it as 75 minutes and displays your chart accordingly. You'll notice the chart changing to reflect candle formations for every 75 minutes of trading. This custom time frame is an excellent tool for spotting more nuanced market patterns that might be missed on standard intervals like the 60-minute or 90-minute charts. It provides a unique perspective, especially for traders seeking a specific granularity in their analysis. If you're wondering why a 75-minute chart might be beneficial, think about it in terms of volume and volatility. Different markets and trading strategies call for different time frames. Sometimes, the typical hourly chart might be too broad, and the 30-minute chart may be too narrow. The 75-minute chart can serve as a happy medium, providing a fresh angle on both trend confirmation and entry points without overwhelming you with data. Remember that this technique doesn't just work for 75-minute charts, but can also be used for any unconventional time frame you might want to experiment with. Just type in any number, and TradingView assumes it's in minutes, giving you flexibility in your analysis. As a final note, if you're frequently using unique time frames, consider saving your chart layout. TradingView allows you to save various chart settings, perfect for accessing your 75-minute chart setup quickly in the future. It's all about making your charting experience as efficient and tailored as possible. And there you have it. A straightforward method to customize your chart time frame to exactly 75 minutes. Hopefully, this will enhance your trading strategy and provide that extra layer of insight into market movements. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.